Hey guys, it's me, Felicia Marie. Thanks for tuning into my channel. I'm here in Michigan, my hometown, visiting family for the holidays. And I figured while I was here, your girl would go see a trusted colorist to tackle these gray hairs. Colorist. Now, what were you telling me about this head? A little bit. Okay.
So I would opt to not go the direction of lightener because that's way more abrasive on your hair. And considering you concerned about the healthier hair and keeping it conditioned and having shine and luster, like this is way more harsh on your hair and it will dry it. So no matter what you do to keep it, moisturized, this at the start of it is going to be hard. But if we do color and just lift it, then I can kind of break through the darkness of your hair and get to putting a deposit of the color that you were desiring. And it won't be like a punch and bright, but it at least be noticeable, like something happened today.
Okay.
As opposed to if I just go to the route of the dim-eye permanent, it's just gonna be like, oh, I can see it in the sun.
Right.
Okay. Oh, Felicia, did you get some color? Like,
okay.
Yeah. What's the point of doing it if you're not gonna have something that's visible and can be seen? So, in my opinion, like not this, but we do
no bleach, a little lift. Okay.
Just to kind of like brighten you up a little bit and break through, and then put a nice business.
So we're caring about the health of our hair, people, okay? It's the best option for my hair.
So then I would go with a dark blonde copper braided. It's not as red as you think. It's not as copper as you think because it's dark and it's blonde.
Oh my God, it's happening.
It's when my kids be like, stop.
You look like you're having fun. A little cheesy self.
Look, you gonna make me pull out my tripod thing. I be threatening. I got one at home, and I be like, nope, I'm not doing it. Like, you making it so simple. Like, just start.
Yes, the grays. They're gone. So this is something that's only going to last for so many washes, and I mean at some point this gray gonna pop back out, but for now your girl edges aren't snow white. I mean, I want to know what y'all think. What y'all think about this? Like, I'm really feeling it. And just to show you really quickly what I've been doing. So preparing my hair for, the little bend of a curl that I do have, I am sectioning off my hair, making sure that it's not too much tension anywhere on my scalp or the ends of my hair with this rubber band. But I literally take my rubber band and I'm folding it over like this. And then I'm sectioning it off, and I'm going to repeat the same thing throughout the rest of my head. So just enough to give me this end result. So that's what I've been doing since I got my hair colored. This has been my go-to style. It kind of reminds me of having Bantu knots. So yeah, this is literally what I do. It does not take long. It just depends on, like, if you want it more curly, then you would make your little, I guess I could say, like rubber band rollers, I guess you can call it. You would do more sections before, and they kind of smush down when I put on my bonnet, and then this is the aftermath. I don't add water. I did oil my hair last night, just because it had been a week since my color. And yeah, that's what I've been doing, y'all. Take my bonnet and put it on my head and go to sleep. And then in the morning, I just take out the rubber bands, and then that's it. No damage. It's easy to do. It's heatless. And so this is gonna be my look for a while. So let me know if you all try it, if you like it, if it works for you. And then if your hair is a little bit longer, you can use the same concept and then add another band to the longer part of your hair to maybe create some waves or something like that. So, you know, as always, I want to thank you guys for tuning in, and I will catch you on the next video. Peace, y'all.